Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Today we're looking at a fan oven element which is 2300 watt 3-turn element. It has two terminals and we will be doing a 360 rotational view of the element with all the measurements to assist you in purchasing your new element. We'll also be doing a test on a new element so you can see what the meter readings should be when you test the element. MFI1487 is a two-terminal element. This means you've only got one spade terminal on the live, one on the neutral. Now the mounting configuration for this has got three mounting points which we'll look at in a second, but the overall length of the element from the mounting plate to the bottom of the element is 195 millimeter. The internal diameter is 180 millimeter. This is what's needed to clear the fan blade. The mounting plate, as you can see here, has two mounting points and, as I said, one at the bottom of the element. The terminal centres are 25 millimeter. The length of the terminal is 50 millimeters. The plate width is 22 millimeters. The plate length is 70 millimeters, and the holes, mounting hole centres, are 56 millimeters. This is a 2300 watt element, and there are alternative part numbers you can see on the screen here. There are many videos at the website to assist you in replacing this element, and also other videos to help you diagnose the problem that you have with your cooker and oven. The next thing we'll do is look at the ohms reading you should have on your existing element if it is good. Okay, if you're wanting to test your existing element, you need to turn your meter to ohms and continuity. It might be two different settings on your meter. First thing you need to establish that you've got continuity, as you can see we have here. And the second thing is to take an ohms reading. Now this ohms reading can be used in the Ohm's law calculator to establish what the wattage of the element is. So using what's stamped on the plate voltage, which is 230 volts, and an ohms reading of 22.5, you would be able to establish that the element is a 2300 watt. This would mean you have a good element. If your element is tripping the electricity supply, this is due to the electricity passing through the filament and breaking down on the insulation somewhere in the element. And the only way of testing an element properly for this type of fault is with an insulation tester or a mega. And I would not expect you to own one of these as they're quite expensive. Elements only become faulty for two reasons. The first reason is an element may have earth leakage, meaning that you are tripping the RCD supply in the house when you turn the cooker on. The second reason is an element may go open circuit, meaning it's no longer able to produce heat. Now, if your element goes on a regular basis, every 6 months or so, you want to make sure that you have checked the fan motor as well, because if the fan motor is not running at the correct speed, the element might get too hot in one location and cause it to burn out. If you're still having trouble finding the correct element for your cooker or oven, enter the brand and the model number into the search facility at the website. If that doesn't work, go to the Contact Us page at the website, fill out your brand, model and serial number, and the type of part you're looking for or the fault you have that you need assistance with. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.